Deciding whether Raiz is better for short-term or long-term investing boils down to your goals, risk tolerance, and the platform structure. Raiz is primarily designed for long-term wealth building. Its key features naturally align with a long-term strategy. The use of roundups and recurring investments encourages dollar-cost averaging, meaning you're investing small amounts consistently regardless of market fluctuations. This is a classic long-term strategy aimed at reducing the risk of buying high. Over a long period, compound returns, where your earnings start earning their own returns, can really accelerate your growth. The platform offers diversified portfolios of exchange-traded funds, ETFs, ranging from conservative to aggressive, which is suitable for long horizons where you can afford to take on more risk for potentially higher returns. While you can use Raiz for short-term goals, it comes with important caveats. Short-term goals, anything less than 3 to 5 years, should typically be in safer, more liquid assets due to market volatility. The stock market can have sudden dips, and if you need the money soon, you might be forced to sell at a loss. If you use Raiz for a short-term goal, you should stick to their conservative or moderately conservative portfolios, which hold more bonds and cash and are less exposed to stock market swings. Additionally, remember that while Raiz allows withdrawals anytime, it can take up to a week for the funds to hit your bank account. It's not as liquid as a standard high-interest savings account. For most users, Raiz is better for long-term investing. Its low barrier to entry, automation features, and diversified portfolios are perfectly suited for getting started with investing and letting your money grow over a decade or more. For shorter-term goals, like a down payment in 2 years, a high-interest savings account or term deposit might be a more secure option, offering greater capital protection and quicker access to your cash. If you do use Raiz for short-term savings, be sure to select a low-risk portfolio. Ultimately, Raiz is an excellent tool for developing the crucial habit of consistent investing.